Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pro Teacher Academy. Today we will have our math lesson in which we are going to learn about area and perimeter of rectangles. Let's start. Look around you and spot objects that look like a rectangle. Do you know how to find their area and perimeter? So in today's lesson outline, we will find the area of a rectangle on a grid, area versus perimeter, solving for the area and perimeter. And the learning outcomes of today's lesson are to determine the area of a rectangular figure on a grid, differentiate area and perimeter, solve word problems involving the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Let's begin. Now you can see the picture of a rectangle. It has 4 sides and has 4 angles as well, and all the angles are right angles. Parallel sides have equal measure. The sides of a rectangle are known as length and width. As you can see my mouse pointer, as you can see this pointer towards length and this pointer towards width. Area on a grid. A grid has vertical and horizontal lines from the square. Each square measures 1 square per unit. Let's count how many squares the blue rectangle covers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 squares, and how many lines of 7 squares we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simply what we will do here, we are going to multiply 7 with 5 and then we will get the total number of squares. We also have a formula to find the area and perimeter of a square. These are 35 unit squares. As we follow the formula, it says 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 unit square. Area is the amount of space inside a shape, and perimeter is the total distance around the outside shape. You can also call it the frame of a shape. Now let's look at the area versus perimeter. Area is a product of length and width. Area is expressed in square units as we have done before. However, perimeter is twice the sum of the length and width. Perimeter is expressed in units. For example, you are going to measure the length plus width twice, like you will multiply the length by 2 and multiply the width by 2. As you can see this example, let's find the area and perimeter of this basketball court. Length is 15 meters and width is 11 meters, and the total area is 165 square per meter. However, the perimeter is the borderline of this basketball court. So what we will do here, we are going to add the length and width together and we will get 52 meters perimeter. In what real life situations do you need to measure the area and rectangle? Think about it and share in the comments below. Where you can apply area and perimeter, you need to work in pairs in solving the following word problems. Let's see the first word problem. The rectangular field shown is 310 feet long and 250 feet wide. What is its area? Now you need to apply the formula and tell the answer. The window has a length of 160 centimeters here and the width of 80 centimeters. What is the perimeter? Now you can see the working here. I want you all to do this workout using any notebook or a notepad and see the pattern how to solve area and perimeter. Let's have a quick recap of whatever we have done so far. Remember the following formulas in finding the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Area of rectangle, you will take length multiplied by width, And to find the perimeter, you will add the length and width together. Answer the quiz to test your understanding. I will share the link of the quiz below and the details, and then I will share the link of the quiz below. Good job! You have learned about area and perimeter of rectangles. Take care. Bye bye.